Hey everybody, it's Matt. A couple months ago, we did a review for the LEGO Super Mario Brothers Mario Starter Course, and now we're back with more. As you can see, we went kind of crazy over the holidays. My daughter really got into LEGO Super Mario, spent some of her birthday money and Christmas money on some LEGO sets, and what we're going to be doing today is we're going to focus on 2 sets, but I wanted to show you what else is out there. So obviously we've got the Peach Starter Course here. We've got Yoshi's Gift House. These are actually blind boxes that LEGO puts out. So there's a series of about 8 different options per series. I think these were series 6. We found a couple of these at the bookstore and picked those up, and she built those. The Yoshi's Gift House, the cello bag of fuzzy and mushroom platforms. We've got the clown car, we've got Karibo's shoe, and then we've got the airship. So today's review is going to focus in specifically on Yoshi's Gift House and the Peach Starter Course. And I'm assuming the Peach Starter Course is probably going to be very similar to the Mario one, just with new obstacles and new options. I will, in the written review, link back to the first review as well as the video. And if you're looking for the video and you're watching directly from YouTube, it's on the Best Buy Canada channel. So let's get started. We are going to get started with the Peach Starter Course. So as a reminder, you're going to need the LEGO Super Mario app. And as you can see, it still recognizes that we've got the Mario Starter Course. This one is Princess Peach with the lava bubble, the yellow toad, Koopaling Lemmy, a gold pole, and a start pipe. It is 354 pieces. All right, helper, you ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Okay, first things first, we're going to start by putting batteries in Peach. So you're going to need 2 AAA batteries. This didn't come with a screwdriver, and it's a really small screw, so I just grabbed one of these and looked for some batteries. So we're going to put the batteries in and get this configured to the app and get the building instructions out too. Okay, you want to turn her on?
Yeah. LEGO Peach time!
Okay, and let's get this going with the app now.
Oh, she even has a necklace.
All right, let's see. Connect LEGO Mario.
Oh. She seemed excited to be connected.
She's still connecting, but I think it's just going to take a second. Ah, yes, there we go. I'll have to run a firmware update. So let's fast forward past all this and show you the other side of it. Okay,
No.
Peach is sleepy. Well, Peach is updated, but the other thing that happened was that it automatically added the Adventures with Peach Starter Course to our Mario Lego set here. So let's hit the instructions, and I guess you can get started. And then the other thing that you said that you wanted to do is, just like last time, you wanted to run a timer, right?
Yes.
Or I guess run the stopwatch, and I guess that means that I've got to get Bob on Battlefield ready. All right, thumbs up. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna do a reminder of the terrain and how Peach reacts when she touches different types of terrain. So before we do that, just as a reminder, this works with a little mini camera at the bottom of Peach that recognizes the different colors that she's about to touch. So blue is water, red is fire,
Lava.
lava or fire, and green is
Grassy terrain.
grassy terrain. So there's also brown. Brown, I believe it just recognizes as the regular ground. All right, let's get on the rest of the build then. Good to go?
Yes.
All right. We've stopped the timer because we saw some pretty unique elements that we wanted to show off. So what's this one here?
This is an apple.
Okay.
She can eat.
And she'll get coins. And this was a swing, you said?
Yes.
Okay.
One thing about the apple, though, if you don't tilt her like this, she will not eat it.
Oh, okay. That's interesting. And then we got the swing. I guess,
Oops.
guess
Okay.
you should have sat her in there. Okay, there we go. I'm pretty sure she would have died in the Mario game if that happened.
Probably.
All right. You finished building all the elements, and your time was 1 hour, 17 minutes, and 36 seconds. What were your thoughts on this set?
My thoughts on this set are, this one is actually a bit tougher than the Mario one. It has it takes more time to build the things, like this, or this. Took me half an hour to build this. Lenny looks hard to build. He's actually really easy though.
Yeah, there were some pretty small pieces and some pretty tough elements with this. So this is now the time of the review where you said that you're going to build your own course.
Yeah, with any of these.
So I'll leave you to that.
Thank you.
A little bit of chaos, a little bit of destruction. So that's all for today. We're going to come back tomorrow with the Yoshi gift house, as well as seeing how Peach and Mario will interact. Okay, after all the excitement from yesterday, it is now time for us to build Yoshi's gift house.
How exciting!
Just going to show you very quickly how you can add Yoshi's gift house to your playset here, because it doesn't have a digital character that automatically does it. Okay. Ready to build.
Yeah.
I think you're almost on the last bag now. How are things going?
Good.
How's this one been compared to the Princess Peach starter set?
Way easier.
Way easier? After a couple days of building, we've got Yoshi's gift house complete. We've got everything there for the Princess Peach starter course complete. So let's see how Mario and Peach interact with each other. Do you want to turn both of them on close to each other? That's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
All right. So we're down at the end of the review now. And you built both of them. What are your thoughts on both sets?
I still think that the Peach starter set is harder than the Mario one.
Yeah, definitely. There were a lot of little pieces there, but you had a lot of fun building both, huh?
Yeah.
So it took us about an hour and a bit to build Yoshi. Took us about an hour and 25 minutes or an hour and a half to build Peach. And the last thing that I just wanted to mention here is that for anybody that's interested in Yoshi's gift house here, Yoshi's gift house is actually going to be discontinued by the end of the year. So you might want to quickly jump on that. I doubt the starter courses will be discontinued though, because those characters are pretty essential. So a couple more Lego Super Mario sets down in the book. And we thank you for watching this review. Check on the channel for the Mario Starter Course, which we previously reviewed. And subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.